All right, we got a skid steer bucket. Came in the shop the other day. We got to replace the cutting edge and all the teeth. So we're about to get started. All right, we're back in the shop today. We got this bucket that we got to replace the cutting edge and the shanks and everything on. So about to get started on the cleanup process. There's a good bit of mud and stuff in the bucket. So we're gonna get that going and we'll get back to you. Okay, this is the bucket right here. You can see where each spot is half mooned in between, and every time they try to do a heavy grade, the center of the bucket bows. So that's the reason why we're changing everything out here. This is the new cutting edge that's going to be put on here. So it's a lot thicker, a lot more heavy duty. Should be a pretty big difference in the bucket bow. So all right, we're gonna get started on trying to get this thing cut out of here. All right, we're gonna get the plasma cutter and the grinder fired up and do some cutting, and hopefully we can get it done pretty quick. So we'll see how it goes. Y'all stick with us. All right, we got the bucket cut off, or the cutting edge cut off, and there it is laid on the ground. We got a good bit of cleanup to do before I prep the other piece to get it on here, but this thing is really springy. I mean, I can put my foot on it and just bow it pretty quickly, pretty easily. So I can understand why there was a problem. All right, we're gonna get set back up, do a good bit of cleanup, and then we'll get back to you in a minute. All right, we got the bucket all cleaned up. We got the new cutting edge laying right here. We'll take some measurements and get it cut and get this thing going. All right, we're gonna take some measurement here, see what we got on our width for our new cutting edge. We got about 78 3/4. That's what it looks like it's going to be our measurement. So we're going to roll the camera over this way. All right, there we go. Now we're going to lay this thing out and get ready to get it cut. Okay, the bucket's done being prepped. We got the cutting edge cut. We're gonna get it over here and get it tacked up. Okay, we've got it tacked up on the bucket. We've got the cutting edge on the bucket, and it's tacked up, welded on both corners, and welded across the bottom a little bit, just to hold it in place and make sure it don't go nowhere. But it's looking good here. I'll give y'all a tour. We got the corners welded. We got it tacked across, all the way across here. Hold it in place, and each one of these spots that's blacked up right here, we've welded it across the bottom in those spots on those main runners on the bucket. So, but yeah, that's all we're gonna get done tonight. So y'all just stick with me, and we'll finish this up here the next day or two. All right, we're back. We're gonna do the final weld today on the cutting edge and get the shanks laid out, so we can get all that stuff welded up and hopefully get this thing out of here. So y'all stick with us. Okay, now we got the bucket, the top welded up, and it's positioned now to where we can get the shanks set and get all that laid out and get those tacked on and get those set. So I'm gonna give y'all a little look at this. All right, so we've got this welded all the way across. I've got to fix a couple of these little places right here where I cut through with the plasma on accident. So, but yeah, we got some nice looking welds. So yeah, we're gonna get this thing laid out for the shanks, and we'll get back to you. Okay, so what I did here was I started out, this piece is 79 inches total from end to end. So I come here to 39 and a half and got my first one set. So now I've got, each tooth is gonna be about 9.25 inches apart. So I'm 9.25 here, 9.25 here, 9.25 here. And then the outside ones, they tuck a little bit, so I'm 9.5 on these on the outside from what the factory Kubota bucket was. So got all my marks here, 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 and here. So now I'm just ready to do what I did to this one and get everything lined up and get it tacked on, and then we'll be ready to do a bunch of welding. And then I'm gonna try to get y'all in on some welding I'm not sure if I'm gonna make it work, but I'm gonna give it a shot and see if I can get the phone behind a welding hood and see if I can get some actual welding footage for you. So stick around, we're gonna get going. Okay, we got all the shanks placed. We got them all 9 of them lined up right here. So they're all tacked on and ready to be fully welded. So next step is going to be getting them all fully welded. And like I said, I'm going to try to get y'all in on a shot through the one of my helmets and see if I can make that turn out good. Hopefully I can. We'll give it a shot. Y'all stick with me. We're back in the shop today. We're going to finish the welding all the shanks on, get those done so we get the bucket flip back over and do the skid plates for the bottom. I'm going to also put the camera in a welding hood and get some footage with that too. So we're going to try that out, see how it works out. So here we go. Got the shanks fully welded up, so we're going to let you take a look at those right now, see what you think. They're looking pretty good. Triple pass on all the corners, so we make sure we've got the proper penetration, proper hold, because there's going to be a lot of strain on these teeth. So, all right, well, now we're gonna patch up these. Now we're gonna patch up these spots right here. A few places that I come through with the plasma. I'm gonna get these all buffed up, and then we'll let you take a look at all that when we get done. So. All right, we're gonna get to it. We're getting close, guys. We're almost there. Okay, all the shanks are welded. The teeth are installed. It's looking really good. Now we just got to get it rolled over and get some work done on our supports on the bottom. So here's a look at what we've got so far. All right, we've got these side pieces reinstalled. Got all the teeth on the shanks. So that side back installed. So yeah, it's looking pretty sharp. So we're gonna get this thing flipped over and get the bottom cleaned up so we can get some other steel ready to get it attached for our new skid plates, and then we'll have it about wrapped up. So stick with me. Okay, we're back. We got the bucket flipped over now. We've got all the pieces cut for the new skids on the bottom. Got those tacked up. Don't have those fully welded yet, but that's going to be the next step. And then once that's done, hey, I think it's about over. All right, I'm gonna give y'all a look here. So that's the end skid. I had to replace this section right here, and I don't have a piece of material this wide, so customer said that this was okay just to go a little bit narrower. I'm gonna put another new piece right in here as well. I just haven't got it cut yet. So there and there. And then once I get that piece right there cut, this piece right here cut and placed, then we'll pretty much have this thing wrapped up. So y'all stick with me. We'll see the finished product coming soon. We got all the runners cut, got them tacked to the bottom of the bucket. I got to cut one more, and then we'll get all of this welded up, and then I'll show y'all the final product here in just a little bit. All right, we pretty much got everything done now. Got all the skid plates on the bottom welded up, and it's looking good. So y'all take a look. Got everything welded up along the sides. Nice seams right here. Got everything all tidied up, 45 these corners. Got them all welded up top. So, all right, yeah, we're pretty much done now. So, if y'all like the video, if you don't care, if y'all like and subscribe, that helped me grow the channel. I'm just really getting it started. So I can use all the help I can get. Thank y'all. See you next time.